Do you constantly flip your pillow looking for the cool side? These cooling pillows might be the solution you've been searching for. Product overview. This set includes two standard size pillows measuring 20 by 26 inches. They're filled with shredded memory foam that contours to your head and neck while providing customizable support for a more comfortable night's sleep. Key features. One of the standout features is the adjustable firmness. You can add or remove filling to create the perfect loft and support level for your sleeping style. Whether you're a side, back, or stomach sleeper, these pillows can be tailored to your needs. Pros: cooling design for hot sleepers. Adjustable firmness and loft, shredded memory foam support. Suitable for side, back, and stomach sleepers. Removable, washable cover, includes two pillows. Conclusion: if you're looking for cooler sleep, customizable comfort, and supportive memory foam, these cooling pillows are definitely worth considering. Check the link below for the latest price. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.